Hi everyone, let's make a beautiful artwork. Fold this tissue paper, color it. We're doing green color, make small pieces. Now take green clay. We're making chick here, so dab all the tissue paper inside it. Similar way, draw its beak, its legs, and we are also making colorful such chicks and paste eyes. Draw grass and it's ready. Let's make a beautiful swan. So roll white clay and make the body of the swan like this. Paste its beak, draw its eyes, make two such swans. Now we are making the green vines. First draw lines and paste green balls. Now make the water around it and look, it is ready. We are going to cut the shape of the pineapple using this bubble wrap. Now color it yellow. Similar way we are making the crown. So paste the green crown on the top, draw its eyes, paste it, draw its hands and legs, and look how cute this pineapple is looking. Cut the top of the bird and paste all of them on the sheet of paper. We are making flower here. Make colorful flowers using clay. Similar way we are making the bee. Make the wings using airbird. Draw lines on it like this using marker, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. Take a white tissue paper, fold it, and we are going to make small pieces. Here we are making swans, so dab it on this white clay, make the body of the swan, make two such swans, paste its beaks and eyes, draw vines on the top, and look, it is ready. Let's make a fun craft. So take a white strip of paper, start folding it. First fold into half, tuck it inside. Now we are pasting these colorful wings like red and yellow. Here we are making ladybugs. So press it like this, draw the antennas and body like we're doing here. Paste leaves around it, and look, your flying bug is ready. Cut an egg crate. We are going to make little pigs here, so cut the shape of the face and body. Now start coloring it like we are doing red color here and pink to the face like this. Then we're going to add details like we are pasting googly eyes and paste all of them on the sheet of paper. Make two pigs and paste clouds around it. Draw its legs and colorful flowers around them using airbird, and look, your artwork is ready. We are going to make sheep here, so press this white clay and dab tissue paper pieces inside it. Paste its head and googly eyes, draw its legs, make two more such sheeps and draw grasses around it. Make flowers using colorful clay, and look, it is ready. Let's make an easy technique of making flowers. So take this straw and cut it and dab it on the paper using white color, and look, we are also draw its leaves and its stick using green color. Your flowers are ready. Now dab this red clay on the paper and make a ladybug, draw its legs around it, add more details, and look, your artwork is ready. Cut egg crate. Now make multiple cuts using scissors and curve it. We are making a beautiful white flower, so color it and put yellow clay at the center. Make more such flowers and paste all of them on this paper. Now draw its leaves and stick using green marker, and look, it is ready. After this we are also making a ladybug. Paint it red and black, draw its legs, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.